Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I just received a new shipment from Paper House Productions and thought I would open it with you. Just a reminder, I do have an affiliate link to Paper House, and I also have a discount code, so I will put that on screen and list it in the description box. You can use that when you order and get an extra percentage off. All right, let's see what I got. All right, something fun about ordering from Paper House would be the extra little goodies they just throw in. I love that they put in cards. So here is a super sweet graduation card. Just awesome to keep in your stash. If you're like me, you kind of have a stash of cards that you just go to, kind of your go-to stash in case you're missing one that you need all of a sudden. So these are great. I love adding them in. And then just fun things. A lot of times my kiddos just love these. Look at these puffy clips. My boys are going to flip out on these page markers. Those are adorable. And then the sweet magnet. Look at that sweet dog. So cute. So just some fun things they threw in, and then some awesome things in my order. Let's check it out. Okay, I have been loving morning journaling time, and in my morning journal, I use a lot of stickers. So when I was shopping at Paper House this past time, I went crazy for their enamel stickers. So these are faux enamel, so they just have that beautiful foiling on them, and I thought they were beautiful, and I pretty much ordered like all they had. So first of all, we have these puffy butterflies, which I thought were absolutely adorable. They might be a little thick for my normal morning journaling, but I think these would be beautiful on some spring cards. So I absolutely loved that. I also got all of these beautiful stickers. So let's check it out. First of all, these beautiful ones with the unicorns and the narwhals. I just love the colors and the florals mixed in. I thought those were adorable. I can't wait to try them. These are just so fun and whimsical. And you guys, my morning journaling time has really just kind of jump-started my creativity for the day. And I love getting to use random stickers. It reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of how much I just love stickers, and filling my pages with them makes me really happy. So I'm so excited to try these beautiful unicorns. Love those. Here are some more elegant ones, kind of Boss Babe-esque. Like I said, I feel like I bought almost the entire one. This one is perfect for me. I live just outside of Washington, D.C., so I knew I wanted to pick these up. Absolutely beautiful. And some dream catchers. I just love the colors, the inspiration, the detail. Look at this feather. So fun to look at, to play with. Girl boss, you go girl, plan on it. These are great for my morning journaling. I can and I will. Planner's got a plan. Absolutely so adorable. Guys, these are so cute. The llamas, come on. These are going to make some beautiful, beautiful morning spreads. I'm so excited. Look at the pandas. I'm sure my daughter will try to nab these, but I did notice I had some extra little pandas in my package, so I'll be able to kind of trade her with those. How fun. The foiling is just so cool. Look at the butterflies. Love these. All of these beautiful colors. I really like the turquoise, and then here, turquoise and orange. Very unexpected. I really like that. And then we have all the cacti, the succulents. Absolutely beautiful. So like I said, I think this is like almost all of the different faux enamel ones they have, except for maybe the Wonder Woman line, because I already have the Wonder Woman line in my collection. So I will be excited to utilize these. They're just so fun. You get such great deals over at Paper House. Don't forget my code. You can get an even better deal. And they're fun little tidbits to add into your planner, to add into your journaling, to just play with in your life. I love these stickers. So got all of those. Then I also picked up for my morning journaling time this book. And this book is designed by one of my favorite people ever, and that would be Shauna Klingerman. And this is her handwriting. If you can't tell, some of her illustrations. This is a planner book. Look at that. So cute. This is going to also be for my catch-all planner, but also in my morning journaling time. I thought these would be perfect little boxes. I just think it is so cute. I love the checklist. This is a great set. So this was designed by her, Shauna Klingerman, and the full book gives me lots of options. I'm super excited. Their whole Life Organized line is perfect for the planner in you. It's gonna be awesome. And then this one is just the inspirational sticker book. So love that. I was excited to pick it up. And then I got some stickers for Valentine's. So let's check and see, with Valentine's Day coming up, I knew I wanted some stickers. This is one of the weekly spread stickers. So I will probably be using this in my planner for a planner spread. Love the balloons. Look at the car with the balloons right there. Love that. Some extra goodies here to incorporate. And then one day there was you. So sweet. So excited to use those. Excited to do a Valentine's spread. That is coming up super soon. I'll probably have a video on that. And a new discovery for me. So I am a member of the Paper House Productions creative team. And I knew that I loved their stickers. I was already all about their stickers. What I didn't know, or what I didn't realize, was the beautiful papers that they have. And so I picked up some more of their beautiful papers because they inspire me. I love the color combinations. I just think these are some of the prettiest papers. So look at this one with this beautiful marbling effect. And then the reverse side. It's so hard to know which side I'm going to like better. This one I bought for this side because I loved the rainbow color feel. But look, it's a cut apart card. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. There's always a reason to smile. I just love that. What a beautiful birthday. Look, I love those. Absolutely beautiful. This one I bought for the cut aparts. Do more of what makes you happy. I loved this size, these 2x2s down here. Absolutely fun. These are going to be used in my This Is Me Traveler's Notebook. I'm super excited about that project. Loved the triangles. And then look at this side. Again, I'm super glad I'm working in the Traveler's Notebook size because I'll be able to use both sides of this beautiful paper. The color washed line is like absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do. They included this extra beautiful piece. That will be fun to fussy cut out. I can totally see doing that. That is absolutely adorable. And then this is the Stargazer line, which is one of the other lines that I'm just loving. The best dreams happen when you are awake. I love that. So those are the new goodies I got from Paper House. It's such a fun company, you guys. They actually just started working again with a new batch of artists and released a whole new line of greeting cards this week. And they have some spectacular cards, and they're awesome because they do support smaller artists, which I think is awesome. They support women. They support people just all over this country, all over the world that are working hard. And I think that is just so valuable. So make sure to go check them out. Use my code. Check out the new cards that they are releasing, and check out these enamel stickers because those are some of my favorite products that they offer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I will link Paper House down below. Just a heads up, that is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does go a long way to supporting this channel. So thank you for using that link. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.